Here is lesson 12 for snare. We will play numbers 30 and 31. You should have already taken a look at them and be good to go. So let's play number 30. Okay, I am going to play it on the snare so you can hear it a little bit clearer, and hopefully this mat will drain out some of the overtones that we get. So that way you can hear just my strikes. Here we go, 30, warm up. And 1, 2, ready, and 2, 3, 4. Now, did you get your sticking right? If not, go back and review it, because that is a very important thing to make sure we get correct. Okay? You'll have noticed that we are not doing too much of the bass drum parts, because it's usually pretty simple for us. The snare part is a lot harder. If you can understand the snare rhythms, you'll have no problem with bass drum rhythms. But I do want us to start doing the bass drum for 31. If you read the top of your page, you see that we have two new things. One is a tie. It connects two notes that are on the same line or space. Okay? So for instance, look at number 31, measure 2. Look at that rhythm. If you saw that on a bass drum, you would have 1, 2, 3. You'd hit on 1 and hit on 3. But because it's tied, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, and that's it. So a tie adds notes together. So you have the half note plus the quarter note. That's 3 beats of a note. 1, 2, 3, and that's it. Okay? So for 31, let's play the bass drum part so you make sure you get that. Here we go, 31 bass drum part. 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 4, 2, 3, rest. 2, 4, 2, 3, rest. 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 3, rest. 2, rest. Rest. 3, rest. Alright, did you get the repeat? If you didn't get the repeat, then you need to circle it so you won't forget it next time. Alright, before we do the snare part, let's talk about our code word. Our code word is care. Do you take care of your instruments? Do you take care of your sticks? Do you bang them on everything, or do you just use them on the surfaces that you need to? If you take care of your equipment, it will last longer. Are you taking care of the bell set that was loaned out to you? Those are not cheap to replace. So, care is your code word. Alright, moving on, the snare part of 31. Let us play through it. Here we go. And 1, 2, ready, and rest. Alright, for this part, I'm sorry, before we repeat it, we'll try it one more time. But before we repeat it, I want you to think of one thing. You know my left hand is weaker. So I'm going to play most of this with the buzzes in the left hand. You notice I switched halfway through. Okay? That way I gave both hands a workout. But this time I want to do it all on the left. So I'll have the quarter notes in the right and the buzzes in the left to help strengthen my arm. Okay? Now we're going to do it with the repeat, and we're going to do it just a little bit faster. If you need to practice it first, pause the video and practice it, and then let's try it. Here we go. And 1, 2, ready, and Did you keep count with me? Did you get it right? Did you tap your foot? Did you count in your mind? Did you make sure that you played everything correctly? Quarter notes, buzzes. Okay? If you did, then congratulations. If not, then review and try it again. Thanks for joining me.